Good
This
evening,
conference will
Kranti
now
and
be
Alisha.
recorded.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, good evening. What was our yesterday's class? It is regarding Sri Lanka. It is regarding giants, kada. How many types of giants we have? Right. Yes. Kranti, Narayana. Okay. Notes the giants. Okay. There are two types. One is 8-eye giants and another one is 9-eye giants. We have two types, 8-eye and 9-eye. Again in 8A we have equigiant, non-equigiant, self-giant and outer giant. Okay. In 9A we have same inner giant, self-giant, cross giant and Cartesian giant. ఈరోజు ఇది చెప్తాను మీకు క్రాస్ జాయిన్ చెప్తాను మీకు ఓకే వాట్ ఈస్ ద క్రాస్ జాయిన్ ఓకే ఓకే ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఐ హ్యావ్ వన్ టేబుల్ ఇదేంటి కస్టమర్ బ్యాంక్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎ బ్యాంక్ టేబుల్ and I have customer table also. Okay, it is a bank table and here it is a customer table. For example, Mr. Triple A, he wants to deposit 10,000 and he want to check okay where I get the most. Okay, in SBI it is a 8%, in SBH it is 10%, in ICICI it is 9%, Andhra Bank now it is not there, so there is no interest. Okay, now he wants to check each row of customer to each row of bank table. For example, he wants to check the amount 10,000 in SBI and 10,000 amount in SBH, ICICI and Andhra Bank. So cross chain or Cartesian chain in 10th class, okay, when we are in the school, okay, we learn that it is a Cartesian product. Cartesian product means each element of a set, okay, match with each element of another set. Okay, na, that is called Cartesian product. For example, here it is a cross chain. It is a, you see, cross chain. Cross chain means each row of a table matches with all the rows of another table. Okay, here what I am retrieving: customer name, bank name, amount. Okay, this is the interest for 5 years. This is the interest for 5 years. Okay, amount into 5 into interest divided by 100, which is nothing but simple interest. If I deposit 10,000 in SBI, what will be my interest? If I deposit 10,000, అయ్యో రికార్డ్ అవుతుంది కదా, రికార్డింగ్, listening, sharing and everything. Okay, Okay, I want to check the bank name, how much I want to deposit, and what is the simple interest if I deposit. Okay, you see, it is a customer name AAA. If you deposit 10,000 in SBI, how much he will get? 4,000. When? After 5 years. If he same person deposit in SBH, the same amount he will get 5,000. It is nothing but for 5 years. Okay. So each row of a customer table matches with each row of the bank table. So that's why for AAA how many rows we get? One, 2, 3, 4. For Syed again for SBI, SBH, ICICI and Andhra Bank. So nothing but 4. Okay. See, for Syed it is 4. For Raj also it is 4. For David also it is 4. It means cross join means, okay. What is the use of cross join? It matches each row of a table with all the rows of another table. That's why it will get multiple. How many? 16 rows. Why it is 16 rows? Why? Because in bank table I have 4 rows. In customer table I have 4 rows. 4 4s are 16. So I have 4 rows for AAA, 4 rows for Syed, 4 rows for Raj and 4 rows for David. Okay? That is the thing. Okay, Nama? It is about cross join. No need to mention any condition, where condition, on condition, nothing. Just use cross join. This is a 9A syntax. That's why we have to write the literally. Left outer join, right outer join, cross join laga. Okay. So this is about joins. Any doubt regarding? Okay. Here if you see, okay. Here I want to check Syed information. Okay. Syed information. For example, like this. Okay. Is asking the bank name. For example, ICICI. It will give the ICICI information of Syed. Okay. Again, if you want, you can check SBI. SBI information. Okay. The syntax is for get the particular customer information. Okay, Nama. Just mention cross chain. ఓకే ఇలా మీరు రిపోర్ట్ చేసేటప్పుడు మీకు ఎక్కువ క్రాస్ చేయని యూజ్ అవుతాయి రిపోర్టింగ్లో ఓకే because when you generate the reports you have to match with all the employee with the other tables all the information for example here supplier it is assignment amma cheyandi one table is supplier another table is orders another table is order in supplier table I have supplier id and supplier name okay in the supplier id I have these are the supplier ids and it is a supplier name okay supplier id and supplier name okay for each supplier we have one particular supplier id okay here it is a orders table supplier id 10,000 nothing but IBM he ordered one particular like product when on December 12 2019 and supplier id 1001 which is nothing but Wipro he ordered something okay. So here we have two tables, supplier and orders. What is the common column here? Supplier ID. Here also supplier ID. Okay. Now what we have to do? Create one equijoin, non-equijoin, left outer join, right outer join, full outer join, cross join, self join and everything. ఓకే, నిన్న మీకు చెప్పాను కదా సెల్ఫ్ జాయిన్, మేనేజర్, వర్కర్. ఓకే, లెఫ్ట్ అవుటర్ జాయిన్ కూడా చెప్పేసా. జాయిన్స్, జాయిన్స్ ఆర్ యూజ్డ్ టు రిట్రీవ్ ద డేటా. టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ జాయిన్స్: ఈక్వి జాయిన్, నాన్ ఈక్వి జాయిన్. Okay, in SQL, what is the syntax? Use comma and where condition. In ANSI syntax, use inner join and on. Why? Because amma, if you are using Oracle database, then use this one, this syntax. It is very easy. But if you are using, means your company is using SQL Server or MySQL or DB2, at that time you should follow this one, ANSI syntax. Only Oracle accept SQL syntax, remaining other, including Oracle also, accept ANSI syntax. Okay, ఇది కూడా అయిపోయింది నిన్న. రైట్ అవుటర్ చైన్ కూడా అయిపోయింది. క్రాస్ చైన్ చెప్పాను కదమ్మా, జస్ట్ నథింగ్, నో నీడ్ ఆఫ్ కామన్ కాలం, నథింగ్. ఓకే, క్రాస్ చైన్ ఇదంతా మంచిగా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి అమ్మా. చే అంటే చెన్నై మొత్తం ఉంది, జస్ట్ కాపీ పేస్ట్ చేయండి, యూ విల్ గెట్ ద ఓకే అవుట్పుట్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్. క్వైరీ కూడా రాసి పెట్టాను. ఓకే, ఆంధ్ర బ్యాంక్ అప్పుడు 16% ఉండే, ఎందుకంటే అప్పుడు ఉండే. ఓకే, ఆ తర్వాత తీసేశారు కదా ఆంధ్ర బ్యాంక్. నౌ ఇట్ ఈస్ యూనియన్ బ్యాంక్ ఆఫ్ ఇండియా. ఓకేనమ్మా, సో దిస్ ఈజ్ అబౌట్ జాయింట్స్. మీకు ఎక్కువ జాయింట్స్ మీదనే అడుగుతారు. ఇంకోటి ఉంది న్యాచురల్ జాయిన్, అది చెప్తాను మీకు. న్యాచురల్ జాయిన్ అంటే ఏం లేదమ్మా, నో నీడ్ ఆఫ్ వేర్ కండిషన్, నో నీడ్ ఆఫ్ నథింగ్. జస్ట్ సెలెక్ట్ విచ్ కాలమ్ యూ వాంట్. ఐ వాంట్ సాలరీ, ఐ వాంట్ జాబ్, ఐ వాంట్ డి నేమ్, ఐ వాంట్ లొకేషన్. ఫ్రమ్ ఈఎంపి natural join DEPT, అంతే. Which column you want, just select these 3 column from EMP table, this 2 column from DEPT table. Just use from EMP, comma పెట్టద్దు, inner join అని ఏం రాదు, just use natural join and write down the another table. Simple, you will get the information. చూసారా, natural join. What happened is, it is a new version. Oracle server, Oracle server, okay, internally it will check the common columns. What is the common column? Department number, and according to
పక్కన పెట్టండి.
Is it correct? That is it correct? Is it Mandiko is like Tantara? The Kirku River, the Black Silver Cassie. Maya Kamala Kapare. Asuro Kataburam, Muburam, Baburam, Chicalo, Jingalo, Jingala. Huh? Where? You want to see the bad to see. Let's go. Yanda Muliki Kade Kos